here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a huge dent in his door on a Jeep Patriot. I don't know the year. I can find out the year. Let me find out the year. The year is... What year is this? Vehicle. Don't see it in the door, which is crazy. Man, that's crazy. Let me look in here. Let's see. I'm not sure the year, guys. I don't know. I think it's maybe like a 2014 or something like that. 13. Not sure. But I had somebody come to me, a buddy of mine with a this is girl vehicle, and I guess he put a dent in and don't want her to know. So I mean, the dent looked pretty clean, don't look creased. So I'm gonna try to get it out the best way I can. You know, I ain't gonna too much charge or nothing, but I'm gonna try to get this out the best I can. And first we're gonna clean it down with alcohol. I got my little Bondo dent popper puller, and then let me see what else. I got a heat gun. I gotta find my heat gun. I'm gonna try to heat it up before I pull it out. Try to pull it out. And I'm gonna see if I can get it without taking the door panel off on the inside. I might have to take the door panel off. I told him this ain't guaranteed, but I'll do the best I can, you know. So let me get to it, and then I'll show you guys the progress after I clean it off. First, I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol, clean the spot, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, I cleaned it off with alcohol. I don't know if you can see it better. This camera don't do no justice. I cannot see it. I see while some of the court shows, they be trying to show pictures and videos. You can't hardly see it, but I wiped it down good. Let me try to pop it out. I'm gonna heat it up with the heat gun first. Then I'm gonna try to pop it out real quick, see what happens. All right. All right, guys, I'm just gonna heat the metal because it's cold. It's like 45 degrees. So I'm gonna heat this up. Be careful not to burn the paint. So I'm just gonna heat this up a little bit and then try to pop it out. I'm trying to do this video quick as possible because you got to get up to work in about 2 hours, and I'm trying to make this fast. So, all right, guys, finish this up. Right. Yeah, guys, see, it don't look that bad right now, but I only can get so much out of it with that little dent puller tool. So I might have to just open that door panel and go from there. And then I'll turn it back on. Let me hurry up and get this off. Then I'll turn it back on. All right. Trying to take the door panel off now. It's I had popped this little plastic piece off right here. I think that's like a T20 or T27, T205. I mean, I'm not sure what the bolt is. I gotta find out. Then there was a plastic piece right here. Pop that off. Gotta take that out. And then for this, I need some panel pullers. I need to pull this back, and there's a pin in there. So I gotta go get me a hook pin or a flat blade screwdriver. Pull this back, pop it. This will come out, and then you got another one down here at the door. Why did they do that? It's actually a bolt. I don't know if that's a 10 millimeter, probably 10 millimeter. Take that out, then pop this door panel off, and then we'll be all set. Yeah, guys, I didn't know this. This was my first time removing the Jeep Liberty door panel. The whole thing didn't pop off. I had to take this off first because I unloosened everything and I tried to pop it out and it still wouldn't pop out. So you got to pop this. Hold don't know if you can see, you got to pop this out with a screwdriver or pry tool, panel remover, upholstery panel remover, and then this comes out. And these little two tabs just slide out of the plastic. I didn't know that. So, and it'll actually be easier for me to get to the door panel without probably even removing the whole thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the whole thing off so I can be able to remove the dent better. So let me go ahead and do that. There's one more screw right here that holds it up. So I definitely would never got this out of here. I probably would have broke something if I kept praying, but I knew something was holding it. So yeah. So maybe if you guys haven't took one of these off before, you wouldn't have no problem doing it, and you won't risk breaking nothing. Luckily, I didn't break it, so that's a plus. All right. More surprises, guys. You after you pop this cover off, you just pop it off. It screws behind here because you got to take the speaker out. Then there's more screws behind there with that T20. And these look bigger, like somebody replaced those with something else. But take those out, and then there's another screw behind there that hold the door panel on. This door is full of surprises. This is a basic one too, with no power windows or locks, and it's crazy. All right. What's going on, guys? These the end results. I don't know if you can see. Got about like 80% of the dent out. I mean, some little ding at the top. I mean, you can see the glare at the top. It looks like it's pushed in, but it's not. So, I mean, like I said, I got about 85–90% of the dent out. So, I mean, that's better than nothing without actually having to paint it. You know, I'm not a body man, but, you know, just cleaned it up, washed it up for him. And, yeah, his old lady should be happy. Just trying to help somebody out. I ain't going to charge him. You know, so that's the end of the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And until the next video, I'm out.